Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have G Dragon and TAEYANG Daesung with the song called Home Sweet Home. So let's throw in some South Korean spice here. Cool song, not a typical guitar song, but hey, what can stop us? Let's do this together. And we're gonna start with the setup here. K-pop on first, that's the best scenario for us. And we have 6 different chords with that. So let's go into the chords like we normally do, starting off with the F. So that's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there, then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Next chord is G, so that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have A minor, and that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. C coming up there, and that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have D minor as well. That will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. And then we have the E minor. And that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna start to learn the strumming, and we're gonna do that with F, since that is how the song starts. So grab that chord, and one turn around will be down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. And a couple rounds. Okay, so the verse play is F, 3 string rounds, G, 1, A minor, 3, and C, 1. In this song here, it starts with both verses coming right after each other. So these 2 verses covers 6 rounds of that chord progression. So F3, G1, A minor 3, C1 for 6 rounds, and you played both of these verses. A couple chord progression rounds goes like this. Again, F3, G1, A minor 3, C1. Okay, I played 3 rounds, you're gonna play 6, and that is your both 2 verses. Then we're gonna come into the pre-chorus in the lyrics, golden. Okay, days. Golden days are still alive. That's how you're gonna play the pre-chorus with F, 1 down, then G, 1 down, then A minor 1 down, and C, 1 down. The next half of this pre-chorus, you're gonna play D minor 1 down, then E minor 1 down, and then F 1 down, and a pause. That pause covers the last chord that should be there. That pause builds up for the chorus. Now, we're gonna have certain spaces in between these chords, not just 1 down straight like that. Imagine you played the strumming in between where you played the verses. Remember, you had F3. Okay, so that F lasts for a long time. Then comes G1. It's a shorter part, so you have pauses that last as if you would play the strumming. So F3, then G1, then A minor 3, and then C1. So that is how you're gonna think when it comes to the length of the pauses in between these chords. So to summarize the pre-chorus, F, G, A minor, C, D minor, E minor, F, and pause, long pause there. That builds up for the chorus, Home Sweet Home. There's the lyric in the chorus. And you're gonna continue the same strumming as you played in the verse. So just repetition for 4 rounds in the same way. F3, G1, A minor 3, C1. After these 4 rounds in the chorus, you're gonna start the second round of everything, okay? So that takes us to the 3rd verse, and that is played for 4 rounds, okay? So we covered the first 2 verses right after each other first. Now we have the third verse, and it's 4 rounds of the F, G, A minor, and C. Then comes the second pre-chorus, played in the exact same way as the first one, no changes there. And then comes the second chorus, again, just repetition, played in the exact same way as the first one. Then comes the bridge part after the second chorus. It happens about 2 minutes and 34 seconds into the song. You're gonna play pauses now, straight downs and pauses in between. So you don't have to count, you have to play just D minor, 1 down, then C, 1 down, then A minor, 1 down, and G, 1 down. Repeat that for our second and final round. So D minor, C, A minor, and G. And that is the bridge parts. Okay? Then we have the final part of the song. It's the third chorus, and you play that in the exact same way as the previous choruses. F3, G1, A minor 3, C1. And with that C, you played Home Sweet Home with G Dragon and the other boys there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, guys. Something different sometimes. I like to play something that is a little bit challenging when it comes to not just copying a song and playing the exact way with the guitar as it's played originally. So if you like this, feel free to support me on Gordon Guitar. Appreciate that a lot. And until next time, play tuned.